Welcome guys, in this video we will see how to set up or customize the bottom navigation bar in your screen. Here you can see the customized bottom bar. Like this you can fix any color to it. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel, to motivate me to do more videos. Comment about the videos in which ways the video quality can be improved. Up to the previous tutorial we have seen how to set the drawer and all other stuffs. If you want to watch it, click the notification icon. In this tutorial, we will see how to have a navigation drawer at the bottom of the screen. The widget for this is bottom navigation bar without space in between. Inside this items we will have the icons and the texts for the bottom navigation bar. For each icon you need to have a specific bottom navigation bar item property. Within this the icon and text of each icon should be specified. First let me add a home icon. The title should be home. Now this is for a single icon in the navigation bar. Here it says that a navigation bar should contain more than one item in it. So let me make it 2 by copying and pasting it. Now let me save it. Now you can see the bottom navigation bar. Let me replace the second home icon. We can replace it to account option. Here we got it. How about having another option in the navigation bar? Let me have it as an exit option. So we now got the 3 options in the same order. What happens when we replace the home to second option? Let me cut this part and place it above the home. Okay, now we got the home in the middle, but the current screen points to account. How to change it to home? Assume this is an array and the first index position is 0, next 1, and 2. Now the index should point 1 for home screen. For this use current index to denote which index should be pointed. Now you can see that this screen points to home. Next we need to define the action when the icon is pressed. For navigation bar a single on tap function is sufficient, no need to define for each items. Here we have passed the index as argument. Now let me print the index. So the index will be printed when the icon is clicked. As discussed earlier, the index of account is 0, and for home it is 1, and for exit it is 2. Hope you got a clear idea of index. Now let me show how to change the color of the bottom bar. Just use background color property and fix any color. Okay, we have changed the background. Now let's see how to change the blue color in the home. Use fixed color property to change the color of the icon. Now, you can see the color of the icon is changed to black. You can also change the bottom bar color when each icon is pressed, as you have seen in the introduction. For this you need to change the type from default fixed to shifting. Now our bottom bar displays only the home, as the current index is set to 1. Now, when the icon is pressed, the index should be changed to the index of the particular icon. Now let me use setState and change the index. Let us use a variable cur_index, to get the current index. Before using the variable, it should be declared. And the next step is we need to change everything from fixed. Now you can see the bottom bar becomes empty, as we need to assign the background color for each icons in the navigation bar. Let me cut it and paste within each items section. Now change the color for each section. Now you can see the color change when each icon is pressed. When the icon is pressed, the title of the particular icon only is displayed. You can also get the text in a bigger size. Use selected font size property and set any size, so when the icon is pressed the size changes. Hope you liked the video. Click like and subscribe to our channel.